What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I am Julie. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the B6 CAD planner from Lights Planner Action. Okay, so recently I ordered the B6 size CAD planner from Lights Planner Action, and this is all thanks to a live over on my friend Kate's Instagram. You can check out her Instagram over at KDK Plans. She did a live with Kristen herself from Chrissy Ann Designs, and they started talking about the Lights Planner Action CAD planner, which if you don't know is a collaboration with Bess over at Lights Planner Action and Kristen from Chrissy Ann Designs. Now, I actually purchased this planner last year, and I actually have it in the standard, well, it's their Happy Planner Classic size. It's the closest you're going to get to your standard 7x9 planner. It's undated, which is why I've kind of been hopping in and out of it. It's one of the great things about an undated planner. But Kristen went ahead and showed us her B6 little baby planner, and I fell in love almost instantly, and I think a bunch of us hopped over to Bess's website and ordered right away. When this thing came, I was looking for it on my porch, and it was so small it fit in my mailbox. I couldn't even believe it. But this thing is adorable, you guys, absolutely adorable. So I've taken everything out of the box, all of that stuff. I do have my receipt right here. I am not an affiliate for Lights Planner Action, so I just want you guys to know that and know that my opinions are all my own. So like I said, this is the B6 size CAD planner. I can't. It's so cute. I can't. Anyway, so in the box came the planner, a cute little quote card from Bess, and what I love is on the back of this card, it shows all of the different size comparisons. So B6 is actually close to a 5x7 size. Obviously, you have to take into account the coil as well, but I love this little chart. It is so handy if you were kind of considering a size but really weren't sure how it compared, and you don't have to buy all of the sizes. Now, if I am correct, you can go to Bess's site and get like sample printables so that you can see if the size is going to work for you, and I think that is amazing. She also included this cute little sample of her new Blackout Paper, tiny notes and pen tests. It says, please enjoy a sample of our special Blackout Paper with her Blackout, and her Blackout inserts are available for the first full week of every month. And you get quite a bit here, so you can try out all of your pens and see which ones work or don't work. All right, let's hop into this adorable planner. Okay, so again, I said the size is B6, pretty close to 5x7. The coil is a black metal coated coil, not quite as thick as say like plum paper or the Life Planner coils, but it is a very durable metal coil. I personally love that it's black. I never thought I would like a black coil before, but I have quickly fallen in love with a black coil. The name of the cover that I chose is Ebb and Flow. You can also get a quote added to yours, as I did on my other one. I just had my name put on there, but I chose to just leave this one completely blank because I absolutely love this pattern. So let's talk about the cost. The cost is, it is high. It is $60, and this only includes a quarter of the year. So if you really wanted to stick with this planner, you would have to get it 4 times over. However, when you take into consideration that Bess does every single thing herself and doesn't have a warehouse with a team of hundreds of people to do this for her, the cost is really right where it needs to be, and I wholeheartedly agree with that because the quality is also there. The cover is a beautiful, thick, laminated cover. I love this. I need to see if you can get additional covers from her website. I'm pretty sure that you can. So if you wanted to interchange those, you could just snip this cover off and, you know, change them out as you want. So I will leave the link for my review for the larger one down below, but the inside is the same. It has the "Don't Stop Believing" quote on the inside, which I absolutely love. And it's just like a straight to the point, no fuss planner. This is a dot grid page, and then you have a dot grid page, and then you have your month view. I did not have any kits at the time that I am filming this video to test out the sizing of everything, but every time I look at these pages, I'm like, this is so adorable. As I said, it is undated. It is a Sunday through Saturday start with a notes column over here, and then you can label the date across the top. Here is your week view. Now I did put some stickers on here simply to show you how the different size and types of stickers would fit in the columns of the weekly view. It is your, again, quote unquote standard 1.5 inch columns, and it's perfect for all of the stickers that you already have. Now, the difference here between the larger CAD planner and this one is that your Saturday and Sunday are going to be sharing a column, which for someone like me doesn't necessarily bother because there is also a daily view in this planner, and when my weekends get super busy, I need more of a daily view rather than a weekly overview to sort of plot out my day, if you will. So that is also something to consider. If that's something that's going to bug you, you might want to go up to the next size. And you also will not get like a to-do column as well. So if you have like all of these habit trackers and things that you absolutely need, then this size might not be for you. But again, there are daily pages, which I love. So here is a look at the daily page. Here is a blank page for you guys to take a look at and a mocked up page for you to take a look at. I went ahead and took one of the Chrissy Designs Daily Duo kits and kind of just wanted to share how it would look here in this daily view. Let me zoom in for you guys. So really, as with any planner, you can make it work if you really want it to. So all I had to do was cut down this sticker strip for the size of this planner. I used one of the event labels as a date header. I used the skinny event labels to label each section. You can see what they look like blank over here. And you don't have to use stickers every single day, but the point of this was just to show that the regular size for a 7x9 daily type of sticker sheet can absolutely work in the B6 size. And it definitely makes things a lot more portable, especially when you are traveling, because just for size reference, this is that Happy Planner Classic size. I have to like zoom out my camera because it won't even fit. Here is my Plum Paper A5 Daily. And then here is the B6 size. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a visual person, so I need to see exactly how small or large things are. And by the way, this floral and black and white combination is distracting me because it is so pretty. All right, let's get back to this planner. So like I said, it is quarterly. So after each weekly view, you're going to get your 7 daily pages. And I really think that what makes this planner stand out is the fact that after the weekly page, you have your dot grid page. Now, there was a lot of controversy when the A5 Daily Duo came out because when it was launched, the influencers who received the planners ahead of time accidentally received a like a promotional copy, and it had this extra page, and everyone was so excited about it, but it wasn't the actual format of the book. But you guys, there is a planner out there that is already offering this as an option, and that is the Lights Planner Action CAD Planner. I love this. I recently used this for a packing list for my work trip. You could use it to plan out your meals, to throw down some additional brainstorming, mind mapping, just a brain dump if you needed to. You actually have the additional notes page. Then it hops right into your next week along with the 7 days of daily pages. So this really is an all-in-one planner, with the exception that you are getting a quarter of the year at a time. And then there's that awesome notes page again. One of my favorite things about this planner by Bess is that she knows us planners, and you can see me flipping, and she has given us an insane amount of notes pages. I can't remember the count. I counted earlier and I have already forgotten, but there is quite easily 20 to 30 front and back notes pages back here. That is more than enough for a quarter of the year. Like, she really thought this out. I know that's one of the things when you have a monthly or even a weekly planner, there's never enough notes pages, and in a daily planner it is almost unheard of to see a daily planner include this many notes pages. So this is what kind of like really has drawn me to possibly jump into this planner for the next quarter starting in July. I honestly have not decided which size I am going to use, but yeah, this thing is adorable. Now, one of the features that I do want to mention is that there are no tabs. Now, in Bess's shop, you can get, I think it's like a roll of washi that has tabs. You can order tabs from places like Erin Condren. They have tabs. I think someone mentioned that they actually had them as part of their last seasonal surprise box, but there are also some on the website. There are plenty of ways that you can make this work without tabs and then add them yourself. I do wish that at the very least it came with some blank tabs on the page, on the month page at least, but that may be something that could be added in the future. I do believe that Kristen mentioned over at Katie's live that that was something that she might be adding to her shop, along with bookmarks that would work on this coil. Because the coil is a little bit thinner, I mean, it's still a very strong, durable coil, but things that have teeth with this size, for example, like this EC bookmark, they won't stay on there. They'll fall right off. I even tried my plum paper bookmark, but the smaller bookmarks from EC where the teeth close actually do fit on here. I just didn't have any within arm's reach for this video, but those actually do work. And Kristen also mentioned that she might be bringing bookmarks to her website sooner rather than later, because this puppy needs bookmarks, especially when you are trying to mark like your month page and where you are in the week and where you are in the day. It would be helpful to be able to mark those pages. All right, guys, that is it for my review of the Lights Planner Action CAD B6 planner. You guys, I think that this is a planner that you should at least try, even for just a quarter. The fact that you get a whole quarter of monthly, weekly, and daily pages and a ton of notes pages is just awesome. I really think that you're not going to find much out there on the market that has this much in it in this itty bitty size. I say it's itty bitty, it's really not that tiny. It's just much smaller than what I am used to. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you're already subscribed, make sure that you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.